Alright, so my background is Dear Lizzie, Here and Now, Sun and Fun. I'm going to use the glitter paper from American Crafts. And since it has the lines there, line strip printed on the papers, I figured my friend can use that area to journal on. And I was going to put a title, use that to house my title, but then I realized, oh no, that piece is too long. So that's okay. I'm going to use that area for embellishing. Just have to change where my title goes. And then it's not going to be straight, and I did that on purpose. And that's the washi tape that came in a kit. It's the Miss Modern stamp marking. Alright, so oh, the till layer is Dear Lizzie, Here and Now, Hot, Hot, Hot. And I'm going to use the chipboard stickers, which are Simple Stories Going Places, and then I'm going to use die cuts, which are Every Color's Awesome Light, and this is the August kit. I think I need to buy some sinus medicine for sinus headaches. I think that's what I got, is really bad pressure in my eyes. So I got like a regular tension headache. I think I got a sinus headache. What is this white on my computer? I'd like to get another desktop. Alright, so that's it. Alright, I told you which die cuts I use. So I always place I do at least 3 areas clusters. I'm really trying to use up those what are those called? Those little circle embellishments, layered embellishments from, I think they're called column. I used them eventually. Let me see. suppose standouts. That's what they call them. And those are Maggie Holmes from the July kit. It's either the June or July kit, I don't remember. So here, this is August, I think it was the June kit. Alright, so for this, I used the layered butterflies, which I didn't write that down. I know, yeah, I did not write that down. But those are butterflies. Or maybe Home Sweet Story, that's what I thought. And then this is where I get my title, which is the Simple Stories Kate Nash from the July kit. And then this is Bestie, so it's her dad, so of course he's her bestie. So I'm going to put that there by my picture, and then I just have to figure out where to put the Hey Girl. And since it's a lighter pink, you can see it over the darker pink, so it doesn't blend. And then I'm going to put down my title, and I realized that the I for Besties fell off. And then that is going to complete the layout. Just looking at it like, anything else? So I was trying to decide, is there anything else I can add? And I figure, hey, it's good enough. So that is it. So thanks for watching, and when I have more down, I'll be back with those. Bye.